When we experience persistent pain and persistent discomfort, we develop many patterns and many habits that become entangled with the experience of pain. We become habituated to breathing in a very specific way every time we experience the pain. We become habituated to holding ourselves and moving in a very specific way related to the pain. We even become habituated in the way that we use our eyes and our visual system to observe ourselves and our environment in relation to the pain. And most of these patterns are patterns that we're not even aware of, and they actually exacerbate the experience of pain. Understanding the many different ties that happen inside our brain between pain, discomfort, our breathing, eyes, and the way we move actually gives us an opening to try to expose, shift, and change the way we perceive our body and our sense of well being. In this class series, we will use gentle and specific movements that are designed to untangle the many connections between our experience of pain and the way we habitually move. Finding new ways of moving and sensing yourself is the way to forming new neural pathways. These new pathways will help you feel better, breathe better, and move and live with greater ease.